Hey guys, I'm Phil, the digital nomad guitar teacher. If you follow this new series of mine, you will improve your improvising. So, one of the most overlooked aspects of improvising is training your ear. Simple as that. You want to be able to hear the notes in the chord changes, and you want to have an instinct for what sounds good and what doesn't. So, in this video, all you have to do is listen. I'm going to jam over two chords using just the notes in those chords. Today it's going to be A minor and G. Later on, feel free to pick through this video, grab different chord shapes and different arpeggio shapes out of this, or different licks and rhythms as well. Now, every once in a while, I'm going to switch to the full size scale or maybe the blues scale as well. Listen carefully and you'll notice the difference. Okay, so just listen. Simple as that. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. First step to just playing along with chords is just to follow using the chord tones. Always the strongest notes. Any notes. We got our bass notes. Just arpeggios. If you want to play chords along with me, go for it. You can do it here too. Hear all these notes in your head. Internalize these sounds. Later, I'm going to do a whole bunch of these with different groups of chords, more chords, along with backing tracks, different scales, different missions, all sorts of cool things. Just teach your ears these sounds, and then you're going to be able to hear them in your own playing. All right. Simple as that. See you next time.